Okie dokie, folks, it's time. We're going to find out how much oil this thing's actually been trying to shoot through the intake. I've only put around 5,000-ish, not even 5,000 kilometers on it really, since I got this thing back on the road. I don't know what that is in Americans, 3,000, 3,500. So, I mean, most vehicles you wouldn't get more in the whiff, but I have a feeling we're going to get a little more in the whiff out of this thing. So she's got a 8mm Allen head, little bolt, little plug in there for draining it, and I'm going to set the camera up, drain it out, and we'll see what comes out together. Alright, I got a little cap off a WD-40 bottle, and I got a bucket underneath. Things get hairy. This thing should hold, I don't know, 50-60 milliliters. That would be a lot. Watch this thing make me look good and stupid and have nothing come out after all the shit I've been talking about how much oil these things eat. Alright. Whoa, look at that. Alright, she's definitely got something in there. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna let the rest drain into the container there, but yeah, that's not that insignificant. That's actually a hell of a lot of oil for that amount of driving. Well, there you go, folks. Proof. 6.4s need a catch can.